All right, well, we're on late night farrowing duty once again. Big Red had piglets last Wednesday. She started at like 8:30 at night. Joey was feeding cows kind of late. I just cleaned the kids out of the bathtub and he was like, come to the barn. So she did really well. She had 10 live piglets, 2 stillborn. I had to assist in the last few. I don't know, she was just kind of getting tired. Like she wasn't really pushing anymore. But yeah, overall it was a really good farrowing. And she's been a very good mother. So this is our other one. We knew that they were due pretty close together. Joey is making like a makeshift farrowing crate. That's kind of also what this one is, makeshift, but it works really well for us. It's a little bit bigger than a traditional farrowing crate, which we like. They can, get up and down, move a little bit side to side, but they can't turn around. And it just kind of helps them be more aware of their surroundings so that they don't lay on their piglets, and the piglets have a little bit easier escape. So yeah, it's been working really well for us. So Joey's making like a makeshift one for this mama, since those ones aren't quite old enough for her to be out yet. So I hear him coming back down. Children were here. They should start an hour earlier this time.
Good thing I got my nap. Decided not to plant corn.
I'm excited for more piggies.
I think 14. I see a foot. I'll help you in a minute. Looks like back.
Yeah.
Orange. Just one second.
Do they have to be those like going back in? I know where a peel up from off. Maybe it's going back in.
Like some black ones?
Yeah, I'll show you.
If they're black ones, you can get them.
No, I don't know any of those. I like target. Well, I don't know.
Like 10?
Like a what?
Like 10? 10? Only 5? Or like 10? I think 11.
No, like this.
There's gonna be more than 5. Well, yeah, they're not.
Can I grab one? So grown up.
Your hands are just too small.
Can you just grab it? And her sister. No, I can't. I see a tail.
See a ball sack.
Vacancy.
You guys, I do like this.
Alright, so unfortunately that third one was stillborn. It didn't take her very long to get him out, so I'm not sure what happened there, but waiting on the next one. We've got about 5 more minutes before I'll check her. They typically say like once they start having piglets. They should have them about every 15 to 20 minutes. So just keep a close eye on her. It looks like she's had a lot. She's only had 2, but the other piglets know how to get through, and they came to play.
Maybe you could get a piece of string.
Okay, child, go hold the light. Don't move. Oh, that works too.
Good child.
I was gonna tell her she had to stand there all night.
But I move the
Yeah, you gotta stand there on it and make sure the pigs don't break it. Otherwise you get cold.
Can I move the pigs over?
Wait, you get a string and get it lower.
He's solid.
Mm-hmm. Sure it's a he.
Itchy boy. So close, but so far away. Get away from me. Pulled this little guy out backwards. He didn't want to breathe at first, but we got him going. She now has 5 live piglets, and that one's still 4-1, but they've been doing pretty good so far. Oh, look at you go. Needed some extra weight to set farrow and crate until we secure it. Better, Dad? Yeah. Would you like some help? No. Good work.
Hmm?
Good work.
To be determined. Heat lamp's got some heat though. Legs warm.
Do you have boards for the back of this?
No, I don't.
It's fine. Update. It is just about 11 o'clock. Nine piglets out. 9 live. Still just that one stillborn. That was the third one born, I think. So hopefully she's almost done. She's only had one placenta come out though. And she's had 2 that were like kind of really stuck that we had to help her with. So I'm gonna need a shower.
At least we can tie it now. Is she empty? There goes your shoulder.
Oh, more so my elbow.
You didn't need that. Did you whack your elbow on the board?
No, it like overextended.
I don't know what that is.
It went that way too far.
No, see, I don't know what that is. My arms aren't straight.
I'm calling her done.
Positive?
99% positive.
So how many we got?
9. Oh, I just woke them up.
Oh, and she farted again. She's killing the planet.
We're missing one?
The one outside the tub. That one?
There's only 7 in here.
8, and the dead one.
Oh, I thought we had one more.
8 live. 1 outside the tub, chilling.
Yeah. I lied then in my last video.
8 live for a first time gilt, not bad.
Only one dead. I lie. Strange. Oh god, there's spiders all over the tub.
Your favorite. Now would be a good time to tell you the water heater's broke.
Yeah.
Barn shower.
Drop it all over your face.
Okay, the water heater's not really broke.
Alright.